I'm actually gay. Is anyone else in this room gay? What an overwhelming surprise. I'm going to tell you some gay jokes. Okay, you ready for gay jokes?
Yeah!
Fantastic. What did the impatient lesbian say to her girlfriend while they were scissoring? Chop chop. Or I could tell you the joke about He-Man's non-binary adversary, they person. I've got a confession to make. I'm not actually gay. I'm bisexual.
Yeah!
I just tell people I'm gay to get attention. I have a very strange type in people, speaking in very, very broad terms, because I scripted this bit a few years ago when I was less aware of the nuances of gender, so bear with me. With more masculine people or men, I'm attracted to them if they're quite portly, jolly, hairy, like a less sadistic Henry VIII. With slightly more feminine people or women, if they've got quite short hair, quite androgynous, glasses. That sounds fine, that sounds a bit weird and specific. It becomes even weirder when you realise I've just described my parents. Only my attraction to men died when my dad did. So that's that one covered. Okay. Are we listening, class? Are we listening? Give me a cheer if you're listening. Yeah. I've covered death. I've covered all of it. Every drip. Right, now. Because death is a liquid substance. You drink it in the mornings, you exhale it at night. I've had too much to drink already.